We have studied the formula. Work done is equal to potential difference into charge. So work done is equal to VQ. V stands for potential difference. Q for charge. If a charge Q flows from A to B, work VABQ has been done on Q while going from A to B. Now here AB are the two terminals of this resistor. The work of the resistor is to oppose the flow of electric current. The definition of resistance you have studied in standard 9. Resistance is the opposition to the flow of electric current. So here this resistor has been shown and it has got two ends A and B. So if there is a charge that is moving from point A to point B, then work equal to VQ, or we write it as VABQ. AB stands for the two terminals here, A and B. So to clearly mention that the potential difference is across A and B, we write down VABQ. So VABQ is the work done, and this has been done on the charge Q while it is moving from point A to B. Now point A is connected to the positive terminal of the cell, hence it is the point which is at a high electric potential. Point B is connected to the negative terminal of the cell, hence it is considered to be at a low electric potential. So when the charges are moving, they are moving from the high potential to the low potential, and when these charges are moving, they are doing work, and to do work we need energy. So from where does this energy come to do this work? How is it that the charges are constantly moving? Because electric current is the flow of charges or flow of electrons. So long as we have the flow of electrons, there is flow of electric current. So where does the energy come from in order to keep these charges constantly moving? So the source of energy is the cell. So here we have the battery and we have chemicals inside this battery. The chemical reaction takes place between the chemicals that are there inside the battery, and as a result of this chemical reaction, unequal number of positive and negative charges are produced. And due to the unequal number of charges that are produced, there is a potential difference that is induced. And due to the difference in the potential, the charges start moving. So long as this difference is maintained, the flow of electric current takes place. So that is why we consider the positive terminal to be at a high electric potential and negative to be at a low electric potential. So long as this difference in the potential is maintained through the unequal number of charges, positive and negative charges, there is flow of electric current. The cell gives this energy through the charge Q to the resistance where the work VABQ is performed. So where is this work being performed? This work is being performed between the two ends A and B of the resistance. So the cell gives this energy through the charge Q to the resistance R where the work VABQ is performed. If the charge Q flows from A to B in time t, that is, the work is performed in time t, then during that time the energy VABQ is given to the resistor. Now one more point has been added, that the charge Q is taking time t to move from the point A to B. So the charge Q is flowing from A to B in time t. Then the work performed is in time t. The work performed is VQ, or more precisely VABQ. Where is it being performed? Between the two ends of the resistor. So the charge is moving from A to B in time t, that is the work is performed in time t, and during that time the energy VABQ is given to the resistor. Now here we have the word energy. Instead of energy we can even say work done. So in future, even if energy is written, we can consider it to be the work done. So here we have the term energy equal to VABQ, that is given to the resistor. But it is one and the same. That is, work done is also equal to VABQ. So if we have to sum up what all we have studied in this slide, we can say that there is a charge Q and it is flowing from point A to B of a resistor R. The time that the charge requires to move from A to B is T, time T, and this charge for moving even requires energy, and this energy is being provided by the cell or the battery. And in this process, work equal to VQ or VABQ is being done. So when the charge Q flows from point A to point B in time t, work equal to VQ is being done. And this work done is the energy that is produced.